Welcome back to the channel, guys. Today I'm gonna make some cornmeal and plantain porridge. Yeah man, some cornmeal and plantain porridge. Yeah, so over here guys, I've got my ingredients. Yeah, I've got 1 cup of cornmeal, I've got 1 plantain, I've got my brown sugar, I've got my nutmeg, all my spices, my vanilla, and my rose water, my rose and almond, sorry, and my cinnamon stick. Yeah, my cinnamon stick. Yeah, man. That's my cinnamon stick, vanilla, rose and almond. Yeah, and that's it. This is my 1 plantain, and this is the cornmeal. And the only source of milk I'll be using, my natural coconut milk. So I'm gonna get it out of the shell, guys, like so, and then get it diced up, put it in the blender. When I finish the blending process, guys, I'll show that to you, so stay tuned and watch the process. Please guys, don't do like me. Please get your chopping board and dice up the coconut on it. Don't hold it in your hand like what I'm doing, because you don't want to cut yourself, you know what I mean? Okay, that is that. So I'm gonna get this in my blender now, guys, so get it blend up. So yeah man, stay tuned. So yeah, this is my coconut, my blended coconut, so I'm gonna get it strain off the roughage. I don't need the trash, I just need the milk. Right, so okay. Hey guys, have a look at the rich natural coconut milk, rich and creamy. Just have a look at that. Yeah man, this is what I'm gonna use in my porridge. So yeah, let me finish peel off this plantain as well, get the skin in there. I'm gonna get plantain and the cornmeal blend up, so stay tuned, I soon come. Just gonna rinse out the blender. Yeah guys, I'm gonna get the plantain in the blender now. So I'm gonna start the blending process, so just stay tuned. Right, so I'm gonna get the cornmeal in there as well, guys. Yeah, 1 cup of cornmeal. Yeah, guys, I'm gonna check on the pot now, see if it's boiling up. Well, yeah, the water seems hot. So now I'm in here, guys. I only have 1 cinnamon stick. I already put it in the pot. Only 1 of these I put in here. Yeah, I don't need more than 1 because it's very strong. Yeah, so now I'm gonna add the plantain and cornmeal mixture. I'm gonna get it in. Yeah. Cornmeal and plantain porridge. This is how we make our cornmeal and plantain porridge. to keep stirring this. You have to keep stirring this thing, guys, because you don't want it to burn or get lumpy. I mean, so you have to keep. And every now and again, give it a stir. Good old stir. Yeah. The noise you hear in the background, guys, is my washing machine. Yeah, man, I'm washing some clothes in the meantime. I'm making my porridge. So yeah, stay tuned. I need my nutmeg. I'm gonna get that and come back. So stay tuned, guys. Welcome back, guys. Welcome back. So at this point, I'm gonna add my coconut milk. Nutmeg, yeah man, I'm gonna get it in. That's great. So I use not really half, guys, maybe quarter of it. Yeah. So that's it. Give it a stir, like so. So when this cook, guys, I'll be adding my vanilla, almond rose, and a little brown sugar. And that's it, guys. I'm not using any sweet milk or anything like that. Just the natural coconut milk. Yeah, man. So stay tuned, guys. Soon come. Yeah, guys. Yeah, man, porridge cooked, so now I'm gonna get some spice in there. Get some spice in. And I get a little vanilla. Yeah, man. Like so. A little almond rose. Give it a stir. In, guys, you saw me grating the nutmeg earlier. So here, it's just to get my brown sugar in. And I'm telling you guys, the natural flavor from the coconut, it's so good. It tastes so delicious. Amen. So now I'm gonna have what a sensation. Oh, it smells so good. I can take out the cinnamon. Even I can get rid of the cinnamon stick now. Cornmeal and Plantain Porridge. Oh, yay! Yeah, man. That is it. That is it, guys. Tastes so good. So you guys, stay tuned. Yeah, man, I'm gonna get my I'm gonna get a big bowl, a massive bowl, guys. I need to get a big bowl. A big bowl of this porridge. It tastes so good. So stay tuned, soon come. Yeah guys, my porridge is finished cooked, and this is the finished product, guys. Let me show you what's going on down here. Yeah man, this is the finished product. My plantain and cornmeal porridge. So yeah man, I'm gonna enjoy it in a minute. Yeah, see all the steam coming from it. Oh, it tastes so good. Well anyway guys, thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe. Please give the video a thumbs up guys. Yeah man, we're around here in the kitchen with it. Yeah, and thanks in advance man. Yeah, I appreciate all you guys, you know, watching my video and like up the thing, and yeah man, yeah man. So stay tuned. We out. Catch you in another one. Yeah man, I'm gonna enjoy my porridge. That's what I mean. So stay tuned guys.